All right, so let's talk about what makes short form video so engaging. And when I say short form video, I'm talking TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. Anything that's between 3 seconds to under a minute, but let's say 30 seconds, 3 to 30 seconds. Your long form video would be, what we're doing here for YouTube. So, what makes them so engaging? Well, first of all, they're short. And this is key because our attention spans as a human species is now, according to Google, shorter than that of a goldfish. That's right. Science. It's science. Google told me it has to be right. Right? Next, they're eye-catching. So they make you stop the scroll. And what I mean by this is you're scrolling through Instagram Reels or your Instagram feed. And I'll be using Instagram as an example for pretty much this whole series because it is my platform of choice. But imagine that you're scrolling through your Instagram feed and you see a picture of your friend's daughter for her ballet recital and she's so cute. But you scroll by and then the next picture you see is of a cute dog and you're like, "Oh, that's so cute." But you keep scrolling. You see a screenshot of a tweet. "Oh, that's nice." But then you see a moving picture or a video. And especially if it hooks you in right from the beginning with some sort of cool visual or something that makes you go, "Oh, what the heck is going on in this video? Let me continue watching to find out." Next, they're entertaining. Well, usually. And most importantly, they're you, which is that relationship building piece that we will talk about in a later video. And now let's move on to episode number 2, where we will talk about developing your personal brand.